Is Microsoft Edge consuming too much RAM on Windows? Imagine your computer is a busy city and Microsoft Edge is a popular cafe. Sometimes, the cafe seems to take up a lot of space and resources. You might wonder if it's causing problems. Well, let's look at how Edge uses memory and what factors influence this. Modern browsers like Edge are built to handle many tasks at once. They use a process called multi-process architecture. This means each tab, extension, and part of the browser runs separately. It keeps things stable so if one tab crashes, the rest stay safe. But it also means that having many tabs open can make Edge use a lot of RAM. For example, if you have dozens of tabs open, Edge can use several gigabytes of memory. Sometimes even more, especially if web pages are complex or media-heavy. Edge has features to help manage this. Sleeping tabs put inactive tabs into a low-resource state, freeing up RAM for active ones. Efficiency mode reduces resource use when your device is running low on battery or busy with other demanding apps. You can also set a limit on how much RAM Edge can use with resource controls. This helps if you want to keep other applications running smoothly. The amount of RAM Edge uses depends on how many tabs you have open, what extensions you use, and how complex the web pages are. Using high-resolution monitors or multiple screens can also increase memory needs. For most users with a few tabs and common websites, Edge's RAM use is usually reasonable on computers with at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. But if you open many web apps or have limited memory, you might notice your system slowing down or fans getting loud. If Edge is using more RAM than you'd like, there are simple steps to fix this. Limit the number of open tabs and windows. Disable or remove extensions you do not need. Use sleeping tabs and enable efficiency mode. You can also set a maximum amount of RAM for Edge with resource controls. Clearing cache and browsing data regularly can also help keep memory use in check. Windows, as an operating system, manages many applications at once. It allocates memory based on demand and system resources. If one app like Edge uses a lot of RAM, Windows tries to balance this so your system stays stable. So, while Edge can sometimes seem to use a lot of memory, this is part of its design to give you a smooth browsing experience. It offers tools to help you control its memory use, and adjusting these can make a big difference. For most users, Edge's memory consumption is a fair trade-off for its features and security. With some simple management, it can run efficiently alongside other programs on Windows.